Look around you. These aren't just students. They are dreamers, thinkers, leaders in the making. Each smile you see today carries a spark of potential. Each voice you hear is a step toward a brighter tomorrow. Welcome to Meri Shoni Darsgah, not just a school but a sanctuary of growth, character, and creativity. Here we don't just teach subjects, we nurture souls. We don't just prepare for exams, we prepare for life. In every classroom we plant seeds of curiosity. In every corridor we echo laughter and learning. And in every heart we instill the courage to rise, to lead, and to inspire. To every parent here today, thank you for trusting us with your child's journey. To every guest, witness the magic of a school that believes in every child's greatness. Because at Meri Shoni Darsgah we don't ask, what will you become? We ask, what will you change? So today, as you watch these young stars shine, ask yourself, if this is what one day looks like, imagine what a lifetime here could create.